Okay, so basically I tried to film it last time, but it didn't work. So I found out the USB Type-C port on the earlier one was actually broken, so let's do it again. So you have to have your CineView M7 first connected to your MacBook. And it should prompt up give you a prompt saying, do you want to give it grant access to connect this to the CineView M7? And that means it's good. One of the things you will have to do is first you need to go to the homebrew. You have to first install ADB. Let's show you how to install the ADB. Go to homebrew, copy this, and then go to terminal, paste it, and then execute it. And then it's gonna automatically install Homebrew for you, which is a package installer. And upon that, we need to go to Homebrew ADB. And it is the Android platform, which is a Homebrew formula, which, by just one single command, it will install this package, like Android command line tools for you. And, copy paste it to terminal and execute it again. And it's gonna give you access to ADB without having to download an executable file, etc., which is super complicated. And then we go to this is the stuff we're sending you, MIT 01, which is also the 7 edition firmware, and this is actually only for the app. And this is the contents. Everything you need is in here. So again, let me tell you what I'm trying to show you is that perhaps that you updated the CineView M7 previously using these kind of command tools, but somehow maybe it didn't work out perfectly. And after the update, which grant you access to the 500 nits, 815 nits, which is also 1000 nit. Yeah, it gives you that extra kick from more 5000. But somehow after updating, the accsoon is still not giving you the CineView M7 massive 4K support. This is telling you how to fix it, and then all you need to do is to actually execute these two script files, sh script files, which is first install app and then push service. Everything else you don't need to mind it. And first we need to grant access to these files, but it's actually quite complicated. We're using a different command, so the easy way is just to open it with text editor, and then first install app, copy and paste this, and trying to use it. Oh, I almost forgot. First, very important thing. Copy the current folder as path name, and change directory, which is CD, and then copy paste it, and change the folder to this one. This is how you're going to install these APKs and these daemons and background services. And then just copy and paste this. Copy and paste whatever is in here. Ignore the bash stuff. It's just kind of like a statement saying it's a script. And then paste this. And then it's gonna do stuff like installing, blah blah blah, because this one has already installed a newer version, so it failed. And then there's also this one. I'm going to copy everything here, and then do it, copy and paste it, and do this, and it's gonna it's kind of updating all the stuff and saying, oh, it's updating, and it's gonna reboot, and after this it's all gonna be finished. It's simple as that. Just first connect, and then say that you want to grant access to it, and then install Homebrew and Android platform tools, ADB, and then perhaps also after you enter ADB, you say ADB devices, and it's saying that you're connected to this. But as long as you have the prompt saying, oh, do you want to grant access to CineView M7, that probably is going to tell you it is already connecting. If that prompt is not showing up, maybe the USB connection, the Type-C cables and stuff is somehow wrong. And just execute whatever is in that two scripts. The install app.sh and the push service, and change directory to this folder and execute whatever is in these two, and that's it. It will automatically just update, and that's all.